Okay, you have been looking for a way for you to be able to get 1 million followers on TikTok. Listen to me very carefully. You are on the right video. Now, the process by which I'm going to be showing you is a way by which you are going to be getting real followers, real human followers who choose to follow you by themselves, not ordinary bots. Either you want 1 million followers, 500,000 followers, 50k followers, 1,000 followers, it's all boils down to your own choice. Okay, you have the power to choose which one you actually want to do. Now, with the aid of this, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do that with TikTok advertising. That is, you can be able to get followers as low as 0.01% in any country you are. If you're in Nigeria and you're finding how to create TikTok ads account, you can be able to contact me and I'll be able to help you create a TikTok ads account that is verified and without ban. Okay, let's get straight into it without further ado. So let me just go straight to the dashboard. Do you understand? I have my TikTok ads account here, and the next thing I'm just going to do right now is I'm going to try and create a campaign which is going to give me massive followers. Do you understand? Now remember, like I said, we can get massive followers. Do you understand? As low as $0.01 per follower. Do you understand? So let me just click on create an ad. Then once I click on create an ad right now, then on the next page you are going to see different kind of objective. You just want to go straight to community interaction, which is get more followers or profile visits. So I'm just going to click on this, and the moment I click on that, I'm going to give my campaign a name, which is going to be 1 million followers. Okay, remember, these are real people who are following you based on what you do and will stay longer on your account till when you create content. Do you understand? So you're going to see special ad categories. Just leave that. Leave this great split test. Campaign budget optimization, just leave this. Set campaign budget, you're going to see set campaign budget, just leave that. We are still going to set it in the future in this campaign. So you are just going to click on continue. So once you click on continue, then to the next page where you are going to be setting your ad group. Now you're going to see placement, which is TikTok. Okay, we want our ads to go to TikTok, by which people can be able to decide to follow us massively. So we're going to click on advanced settings, and you're going to see something like user comment, enable user comment, enable video download, enable video sharing. Whichever one you don't want, you can tick it off. Do you understand? Decide to tick it off or tick it on. So I'm just going to scroll down, and you're going to get to the targeting side. Okay, you're going to see something like save audience. You don't have any audience saved, right? You are just doing this for the first time. So in the location, do you understand, we might decide to target, okay, maybe United States or South Africa. Do you understand? South Africa. And you are actually going to see this. Let me type it in. This is South Africa. Okay, and you can choose to even target 3 or more countries. Do you understand? Canada and so much more. So for this video, I'm just going to use these two as an example, United States and South Africa. I'm just going to go down to the gender. If you want only male, select male. If you want only female, select female. If you want both, select all. Okay, then in the age, this determines the type of people that is going to follow you. So if you are trying to build your account follower for people that has the ability to buy something from you or high purchasing power, I will just advise you select at least 25 to 55, like 25 age 25 and above. Do you understand? But if you just want to post about entertainment or you don't mind about the age, just select from 18 and above. Okay, so just go down. Then in the language, you're just going to click on the language, and you're going to type in, you're going to click on the search, and you're going to input English. Okay, so whatever country you are trying to target, make sure that you input their native language, the general language by which all of them understand. Now this place is one of the most powerful places of TikTok. Do you understand? So this high, you're going to see something like spending power. If you click on this high spending power right now, you'll be able to target people who love to buy gifts for people on live, who love to click on those Shopify ads to buy something. So TikTok has a way to record people like this on its platform. So it's a very great feature for you to get to get followers with high purchasing power or spending power. So just go down. Then once you go down, so you're just going to go down and you're going to see something like household income. Just leave it like that. Okay, then you're going to see something like audience. Okay, now they are telling you maybe you can, this is where you are going to be setting the interest of your adverts. Just go down a bit, help me go down a bit, and you're going to get to that interest and behaviors. Define your users by selecting creative video and hashtag interactions and interest. Now, like I said, you are not just going to be getting any robot followers or just any follower that on your account just to make it 1 million followers or 1,000 or 5,000 or 500,000 followers. Do you understand? These are real people who are interested in your content. Now this place is going to determine how best this follower is going to be able to interact with your content or probably buy from you. So I'm just going to use an example in this place. If you don't know how to use a target audience on TikTok, message me on WhatsApp using this number on the screen or using the number in the description box, the link in the description box will take you to my WhatsApp. Just say, Mr. Ayo, I need TikTok ads targeting for my TikTok follower or for my account or for my business. Then anyhow you just say it, I will understand and I will be able to guide you on that. It's not free though. So I'm just going to click on search or select interest and behavior. You're going to see interest. Okay, so you're going to be able to click on the category of the interest your account is about. So if your account is about household products, news and entertainment, if you click on that drop down beside that news and entertainment, you're going to see business and economy, science, technology, culture, environmental, celebrity, lifestyle news, whatever, astrology. You're going to see business service too. Do you understand? If you click on this business service, real estate, home rentals, office equipment, safety, energy, whatever, you can see it. So it depends on whatever your account is all about. Do you understand? As for this beauty and personal care too, you're going to see oral care, hair care. If you sell wigs and hair styling, do you understand? You can, hair dye products, styling, hair styling tools, just anything. Do you understand? These are the interest. But for the video interaction, you're going to see target user based on the videos they engage with in the last 15 days on TikTok. So on this, you can even try to target them based on the videos they have engaged in already. So this is like a very good custom audience. So if you try to click on entertainment right now and you see entertainment and culture, cosplay, anime, comics, talent, culture and education, whatever, do you understand? You can be able to click on that. So for this, I'm just going to click on beauty and care, and I'm just going to select hair. Do you understand? Let's say maybe you want to get followers to your hair business, your hair TikTok account, whatever you do. So I'm just going to go down, and once I go down, then I can go to the device section and probably play with this. If I want to target Android and iPhone users, I can do this. But if I want to make sure I try to target people who really have a little bit, just to be more logical enough to get people who are highly advanced, I can say maybe I want to target people with iPhone, and I'll select the iOS version, at least from iOS 17 and above. Do you understand? Then the device model, I can say Apple, and I'm going to select from let me just tick this off. I want to select from iPhone 14 and above. Do you understand? Or iPhone 13 Pro. Do you understand? iPhone 14 and above. This will give you people who have high spending power. Depending on how you want it, you can just play with anything. Do you understand? Then you just go down. You can decide to save new audience, and once you go down, you go to the daily budget. You can edit this into $20. Do you understand? Maybe you want to spend $20 per day or whatever you want to spend per day. Then you just go down, then you get to this billing and optimization. You click on follow, optimization goal, which is for follow. Okay, you want people to follow you, not to just visit your profile. Okay, then you go down the bidding strategy, just leave it like that. Do you understand? Let them suggest it for you, and you click on next. Do you understand? Okay, let's see it. Okay, set a bid price per follow. Okay, let's say maybe you want 0.01. Okay, you want to pay 0.01 US dollars per followers. We input it here, and we just click on next. Okay, we click on next. Then once you click on next, you are actually going to get to the next page right now. Let's wait for it. So on the next page here, you're going to see something like add name. Just leave it like that. We already named our campaign. Then we're just going to scroll down. You're going to see something like identity. Use TikTok accounts to deliver Spark ads, which is turned on already. Set what TikTok account you like to use. For this, I have linked one of my TikTok accounts already. Ayo is marketing. Do you understand? You can follow it on TikTok. Then you can decide to use another authorized account or post. Do you understand? Once you do this, you'll be required to unlink this TikTok account that is linked before and just link your own. But for the fact that you are a newcomer, you just see something like link account. Do you understand? Use TikTok account and you link it. By so doing, you will be able to run your ads using your TikTok account. You can see something like this. You can change your link business account in user settings. So if you go to user settings, if you click on this icon here of my account, we click on user settings, we can be able to change it there. So wherever you get here, you can use these two methods. So just go down and you're going to see something like ad format, TikTok post or a single video. Create an ad with a TikTok post or a single video. Yes, it's selected already. So let's just go and select the post right now. So if you click on TikTok post, do you understand? This is going to show the amount of videos that is already on the account. So I'm just going to click on one. Okay, and I'm going to click on confirm the latest video. So whenever you are trying to create your ad, make sure you've already posted that video on your TikTok profile before and with the correct text how you want it to be. Do you understand? So this is like, you can see something like music sharing here. Allow other users to use your music in post. This is for musicians. So if you're musicians, always make sure that you turn this on. Do you understand? Okay, unable to obtain song or artist name. That's why I said if you're a musician. Okay, so here is the video right now.
Career as a website designer. If you want to,
so I'm just going to pause it and I'm going to go down. Once I go down, then you're going to see something like stitch or duet. It is not allowed. Okay, so the text is already there. That's why I said you can't edit this here. You only have power on it whenever you're trying to create it. I'm just going to go down. You're going to check this board. By checking this board, you confirm that you have the right to use the music in this ad, whatever. By checking this box, you agree to for the ad. So make sure you check this. Do you understand? Their terms and conditions. Okay, make sure you check it. Then just go down, and click on submit. The moment you click on submit, your ad is going to be submitted and they will tell you to actually set up your payment method. Do you understand? I have another video on that. Okay, so should in case you submit your ad, they might tell you, okay, input a card or whatever. Let me try and show you right now. So the ad is going to be submitted for review and your ad will be submitted. If you want to add